It's not Ngumoha. It's not a winger, bro. Dia mainkan Frimpong, bro. He doesn't see Frimpong even at right back, bro. And dia simple je. He rather play Curtis Jones at right back, not a defender, a midfielder to play there, just because to make sure that he can utilize Frimpong and nak kata use his best ability, which is his fast pace. Masalahnya jadi ke tidak?
Bro, okay. Aku just nak tanya lah. Okay, sekarang aku tanya. Kalau kau kata Slot nak mainkan Frimpong dekat sebelah kanan nak gantikan Salah, selain atas dasar apa, bro? Itu nak tahu atas dasar apa?
Itulah yang aku cakap.
Aku tahu satu
je
benda.
Nak baca Arne Slot. Atas dasar, he is fast. He can penetrate the the left back for the opponent.